So welcome back, Year 6, to your third warm-up. Hopefully you're comfortable now using the cloud method. One bit of feedback I've had is when people said that the warm-up was quite easy for them, but they'd been using their pencil and paper to do some calculations. If you think it's too easy, don't use a pencil and a paper for any workings out. Okay, just put your answers down. So you're doing every question in your heads, and then you'll find it a lot more challenging. So you've got your 8 problems around the outside. Your magic number is 68. What I'd like you to do now again is pause here. Give yourself 90 seconds to work out as many as you can. Okay, great. So if we go through the answers now, I'll change the colour of my pen. So starting at the 12 o'clock position, if I multiply 68 by 100, I get 6,800. Is it a prime number? Well, again, if I remind myself what a prime number is, a prime number has only got 2 factors, one in itself. So it's only divisible by those numbers. Like I said, one in itself. Because 68 is an even number, I know straight away that it's not a prime number. Whoop. Sorry about that. I know that straight away it's not a prime number because 2 is a factor of 68. 2 goes into it. Okay? 68 is divisible by 2, to use the right terminology. So no. What do you add to 68 to get up to 500? So the way I would do it is I would add 400 on, and then I would add 30 on, and then I would add 2 on. So altogether I've added 432. Divided by 10, remember I get 6.8. Halve it, then add 70. So halving it would take me down to 34. Adding on 70 is 104. Add on 343 to 68. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add on 60 to the large number first, which would take me to 403. And then I'll add my 8 on to get up to 411. Divide by 4, so I'm asking myself how many 4s go into 68. And the answer is 17. And then 68 multiplied by 3, well, in my head, I'll multiply the 60 to get 180. And then I'll multiply the 8 to get 24. If I add those together, I get 204. So hopefully you've got as many of those right as possible. And like I said, if you found it too easy, hopefully you did as many of those this time in your heads. Your task now is to go into the playlist, mark Year 6 lessons, find lesson 3. Thank you.